So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vincent Corom here. Sa video na to guys, magbibigay ako ng comments sa video na nagawa ko last week. So let's go, this is crazy guys, kabaliwan to. And guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, click the hit button. I'm a vlogger, I'm a YouTuber right now. Guys, let's go na tayo sa topic na video na bibigyan ko ng comment na pinagsusuntok-suntok ko yung hollow blocks. 10 hollow blocks, di ba? Kabaliwan kung sinong gagawa nun. So let's go, let's play. Oh, don't try this with...
Okay guys, sa challenge na to, babasagin na.
Wait lang. Don't try this without...
Okay guys, sa challenge.
Ano sabi niya? Don't try this without proper practice. Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay guys, sa challenge na to, babasagin natin tong hollow block na to gamit ang kamao.
Oh, okay, let's
go.
Let's go, Vincent Corom. Ikaw ay isang... Ay, sakit yan. Isa.
Kulang pa men.
Sakit yan, bro.
Dalawa.
Okay, dalawa.
Pangatlo to. Hit niyo ako dyan guys.
Ang sakit na na.
4.
Okay, 4 hollow blocks.
Isa pa. 5.
5 hollow blocks. Ang sakit na dito guys sa kamay. Don't try this guys. Don't try this.
6.
Huwag yung gagawin yan guys yung ginawa ko ha. Huwag yung gagawin guys. Okay.
7 hollow blocks.
7 hollow blocks.
Go.
Okay. Ito bang challenge video to? Susuntok ng hollow blocks.
8.
Okay, let's go. Kaya mo yan, bro. Okay.
9.
9 hollow blocks. Oh.
10 hollow block.
Okay.
The final.
10 hollow blocks. The final.
10 hollow block. Guys, sa challenge na to,
10 hollow blocks. Tumatawa pa eh.
nagawa ko.
Okay,
Kabaliwan tong ginagawa ko pero ang sarap.
Talaga.
10 hollow blocks.
Ang sabi niya, ang sarap. Kabaliwan tong ginagawa ko pero ang sarap. Ano ba yung sinabi ko? Ano yung sinabi ko? Ang sakit na ngayon.
Look at this guys.
Okay, nilagyan ko pa ng black na... Ito. Nilagyan ko pa ng black na circle para hindi makita yung sugat kuno.
Wag niyo i-try to guys.
Oh, yes guys. Wag niyo itatryan guys. Don't try this. Itong kalukuhan na to, don't try this guys. Don't try this. Please.
Don't try this.
Okay.
Thank you for watching
Okay, thank you for watching
this video guys.
This video, guys.
See you sa next challenge.
the next challenge. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Kalokohan, di ba? Sinong gagawa ng 10 hollow blocks? Pero guys, don't try this. So, hanggang dito na lang yung video guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you sa next video.